Hello there guys, welcome to our channel. Today we've come to check out Albufeira Old Town. Is it dead or is it alive? It's the 3rd of December, it's a pleasant 20 degrees, so come and join me. So there's Pescadores Beach. One of the first restaurants we come to is Cabana Fresca. Looks like it's undergoing some construction work. Next door, Solimar is open. Still people in the shorts and t-shirts, guys, so you know it's 20 degrees roughly. And anyway, we're getting lots of questions. What's the weather like in Albufeira in December, and what's it like at New Year? Well, right here where we are now, they're just preparing for the biggest New Year's Eve celebrations in Portugal. It's Carp Knox 2025. So the celebrations start around about 10 p.m. Where that digger there is in the background, they erect a stage. And this year, it's an iconic Portuguese band called Silence 4, and they're celebrating 30 years together. So they're kicking off the evening. It doesn't stop there, guys. New Year's Day, they've got another concert on, 5 p.m. Popular band Quattro e Meia. I've never heard of them. A lot of you guys probably will have done. And also, there's a street food festival from the 31st of December to the 3rd of January. And I'll just warn you guys, if you are coming to the New Year's festival, get here early, especially if you want to get to the stage, because there's going to be over 100,000 people here that night. Anyway, enough of the waffle. Let's go and check it out. So Louisiana is open, quite a few people there. That's what they do here. Sangria litre, $14.50. That's a bargain. So we'd definitely like that. And this little square is probably where they're going to have the little street food festival. Yeah, quite a lot of them, the restaurants are closed this time of year because they've worked hard for the last 10 months, so they do need a break. Yeah, a lot of the bars and restaurants are having work done on them. I suppose it's the only time they can get to refurbish the places. It's dead this side, guys. Infinity Bar's closed. All these little bars are closed as well. We'll make our way into the square to see what's open. Quite a lot of the shops are still open. We've got Kaish 44 here, putting his sign away. Special dish of the day, €12. That includes, you okay my friend, yeah? So you got a choice of hake, chicken piri piri, mixed grill. You get a drink and a dessert, €12. Can't be bad. Ice cream shops open. Well, if you're interested, when you're coming over here, the cannabis shop's open. I'm a non-smoker, so it doesn't bother me. Yeah, the Broadway pub that's having refurbishments. Pretty quiet down this street. We'll make our way to the square. Piccadilly cocktail bar's open. Nobody in it though. Next door, Marmotta Cafe. That's open, but nobody in. There's one bar that's quite lively, YOLO Lounge. it's a good bar that. It's got about 3 floors. It's got a rooftop garden. Has live entertainment on daily throughout the winter. There's English breakfast. There's Sunday roast and all that if you like it. So there you go, YOLO live music. Wednesday, Thursday it's Haley. Friday, Saturday, Sunday it's Nunu. That's the guy that does Bar Street. I just check what's open down here, see if the Three Harps is open. You okay, mate? Yeah, this street's pretty quiet. Just want to see if my favourite Italian restaurant is open. Yeah, Harp Grill. That's been refurbished as well. Yeah, so they've only got about 2 months slot to make improvements before the season starts again. This place here, guys, the bistro, we have done a vlog on it, but I believe it's changed hands and it's nowhere near as good as it was. So if you're checking our vlogs out and you go with recommendations from us, it's actually changed ownership now. Now Il Brigante's closed. Then you've earned a well-deserved rest. Got Sherry's Bar, that's open. Geordie Viking next door is closed. We'll pop back down here. This is the back of the street that we just popped down before, where the Piccadilly bar is. I think this is called Bar. This is always open. There are people in there, but they've got the plastic screens up so you can't really make it out. So this is the other side of the Piccadilly cocktail bar. And you can still hear the music from YOLO Lounge.
Not me. You're taking his photo.
No, I'm getting you now. I'm getting you because you said I wouldn't have got you, but you said that, no to get you. Okay. So there's the Piccadilly cocktail bar. Got the Underdogs bar there. You okay, guys?
The best bar.
The best bar, the cheapest as well. What do you do? Happy hour.
Happy hours. Like 1 Guinness, €5. Last Guinness, Heineken, last Heineken 450.
Yeah.
The all cocktail we do €7.
Okay. How much is your sangria?
Sangria. Which one? The
Rosé.
Rosé.
What can you do that for? If I come bring my missus, what can you do it for? How much?
We do the €15 for 1 litre.
Okay, nice one.
That's good price.
Yeah, cheers, mate. Okay.
The best quality. You know?
Okay. It's not out the carton, is it? It's not in the cartons, is it?
What?
Is it freshly made?
Firstly.
Freshly made, the sangrias.
Yeah, it's the best quality, you know.
Okay, I'll come check you out, mate. Yeah.
Really best quality.
Okay. Pardon?
You don't want to check mine?
Where's yours?
Yeah, you don't want to check mine. You just check his.
Go on then. Where are you?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm Manchester.
Manchester.
But I live in Portugal though.
You live in
I live.
Portugal?
Yeah.
Albufeira?
Yeah. No. Oliao.
Oh, no. Ah,
Yeah. So are you working here or
I work there.
which
I
one?
work in the Georgina.
The Georgina. I'll go and give it a blast for you, mate. Yeah.
free to come
Okay. What's your name?
Ash.
Okay, Ash. Cheers, mate.
Are you a blogger?
Yeah. Yeah. On YouTube. Be on Friday. Okay. Cheers, Ash. So we've got the Chinese shop there. And then we've got the Georgina bar where Ash is from. It's from Nepal.
Where did you say you were from there? Scotland.
Yeah, and it's a nice little bar. Order your pizza with us. There's iced drinks. Nobody in it though at the moment. It's very, very quiet, guys. In fact, I think it's the quietest I've ever seen it.
They wanted to tell me, they wanted to
Well, we'll go past the YOLO Lounge again and we'll head towards the square. There's got to be something open.
That means you've got to do it. So the rules are, if you point to someone else, you've got to do it. Just kidding. You don't have to, It's a bit of fun.
She's a
Stretch that
Geordie
wrist.
by the sounds of her voice.
Right, okay.
Hayley.
Stretch that wrist.
We're hitting the square, guys, and Beach looking dead. Buddies is closed, Central Station closed. Vertigo's open, and also next door Sir Harry's is open. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen Sir Harry's closed. Yeah, quite busy in there. Got the Sangria's on the go. Live music tonight with Woody. We've got the Força Portuguese sports shop. There's the square, guys. New Year's Eve though, this will be unrecognisable. Cut down the back street to Tunnel Street. Well, all the ice cream shops are open. It's pretty dead down there. We've got Ribs and Co. I can smell food cooking, so something's open. Yep. All the shops open. One little tapas bar that's open there. Rui's coffee shop. Oh, By Lot is closed. I do know he has 2 months off every year. And the Italian opposite, Ambrosia, that's still open. Still not tried that. It's on our to-do list, guys. What's the food like, guys? What's the food good? What's the food like? Fantastic. Cheers, mate. You okay, guys? You alright? We come and check you out soon, yeah?
Hope so.
Okay. Yeah, Tasca del Cash. Are you okay? What's this?
Portuguese.
Sabores Portuguese. Sardine. Oh, go on. Sardines, chocolate, almonds. Can I come in?
Yes, please. Welcome.
Are you going to show me what's your specials then? So,
Our special part.
yep.
This side. Here, our Taylor Sentinel.
Right.
It's from 2023.
Yep.
It's a special edition. We have as well the glove. It's also a special edition.
Yep.
We have here all the Don Antonio, the reserve white, the 10 years and the 20 years, and you have the holograms as well, the LBV 10 years and 20 years.
Lovely. You know what I'm going to ask you now, don't you?
Sorry?
You know what I'm going to ask you now? Have you got any samples?
Only the here I have the Taylor Sentinels if you want to try.
You have a little one,
Yeah.
yeah? Okay. Only small. So there we go.
Yeah.
We're going to check this port out, guys. So if you like your port and your wines, pop into this shop. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Enjoy.
Cheers, guys. Well, that's lovely, that.
Yeah.
Ooh, like very ruby, is that?
Yes.
It's really nice, yeah? Thanks for your help anyway.
Thank you.
I'll give you a little plug on YouTube, okay?
Thank
You'll be on
you.
Friday, okay?
Thank you.
Cheers. Well, that's a lovely little shop, that. Didn't expect to be, cheers, bye. Didn't expect to be sampling port. So there's Tasca del Cash. We've vlogged that one. Steak in there is amazing. So this end is a lot more busier. They've even got all the little shops open, selling the tours. Alfredo's is open. There's nobody in it at the moment. This is also a really lovely Italian restaurant. If you like sangria, not sangria, they do nice sangria, but if you like lasagna, it's the best lasagna you've ever had in Albufeira. Yeah, so all the shops are open, so they must be expecting people. we'll pop through the tunnel. I don't know if this guy is just starting or just leaving, the one that plays the instrument in the tunnel. You okay? You've got Casa de Font there? Yeah, you good, mate? Yeah? That's a cracking little Portuguese restaurant. If you like your seafood and your fish, it's a great place to go. I think he's going. You okay? Are you staying or going? Are you just playing now or?
I'm starting now.
Just starting now. I'll catch you in a minute, yeah? When I come back, yeah? I'll have to get some change out for him. Be rude not to. Yeah, Esplanade of the tunnel, that's closed. Solimar must be open, surely. Yeah, the cafe under the Solimar Hotel is open. This hotel here, it's adults only. Every room has is sea facing. I wouldn't mind checking that place out actually. We'll pop back through the tunnel, catch the musician, and I will have to get some coins out. I'm going to leave you with the last view of the beach at the bottom of the tunnel street. There's actually people sunbathing. They're even still renting out the sunbeds. And even the rooftop bar and lounge on the beach there is open. I'm going to pop back through the tunnel. And I've never done it before, so I've never had any change on me. But I'm going to give this guy a few quid I should say. This guy's here every day, works really hard. So I'll be the first one today. He's only just started. There you go, mate. Never ended a video in the tunnel before. Hope you like this little walking tour. If you have, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you next one. Ciao for now.